Are you looking for best pots and pans set? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 6 best pots and pans set to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Corrode 16 Pieces Pots and Pans Set. Non-stick cookware sets. Titanium reinforced coating. Scratch resistant, easy to clean, even heating, induction compatible, with frying pan set. Material: aluminum, titanium. Brand: Carote. Size: 16 pieces. Handle material: Bakelite. Superior non-stick performance. Featuring a titanium reinforced coating, our pots and pans set offers exceptional durability and effortless food release, making cleanup easier. Durable and even heating. This reinforced die-cast aluminum cookware set is built to last. It ensures rapid, uniform heat distribution with no hot spots, perfect for consistent boiling, simmering, and reheating. Silicone sealed glass lid. Lids of the pots have silicone edge that creates a tight seal to lock in moisture and flavor, allows you to monitor cooking without lifting, and protects against chipping for added safety. Corrode provides 12 months warranty from the date of purchase. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any quality problem. You will be guaranteed to get satisfying solution.
Number 2. Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick. 31-piece kitchen induction cookware and bakeware set. Non-stick kitchen cooking pan set with frying pan set, grill pan, saucepan, baking sheet, and utensils. PFOA-free. Material: aluminum. Brand: Umitech. Size: fully assembled. Handle material: anti-scald Bakelite handles. Premium healthy and non-stick pots and pan set. Experience effortless cooking and cleaning with our black non-stick cookware set. Its advanced multi-layer coating is highly scratch-resistant and 100% free of PFOA, PFOS, and cadmium for truly healthy cooking. The durable, non-reactive surface prevents flavor transfer, allowing you to cook acidic foods like tomato sauce without any lingering tastes or odors, preserving the pure flavor of every meal. Pre-assembled heat-resistant Bakelite handles. Crafted from professional-grade Bakelite, these sturdy handles come fully pre-installed, no assembly required, so you can start cooking right out of the box. They are engineered to stay cool to the touch, even on high heat, offering a secure and comfortable grip that won't loosen or wobble over time. The smooth, stain-resistant surface cleans easily with a wipe, maintaining its sleek look through years of daily use. Designed with ergonomic contours for confident handling. Fast, even heating, and all-stove compatibility. Engineered with a high-performance aluminum core, this induction cookware set delivers lightning-fast preheating and flawless heat distribution for perfect searing and simmering. The enlarged stainless steel induction plate ensures maximum magnetic contact and stability on all cooktops, especially glass stoves. Enjoy ultimate versatility with 100% compatibility on gas, induction, electric, and ceramic stoves.
Number 3. SensArte Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set. 13 pieces non-toxic pots and pans set. Material: aluminum. Color: white. Brand: SensArte. Size: 13 pieces. Handle material: Bakelite. Healthy ceramic pots and pans. Made of natural ceramic, free of intentionally added PFOA, PTFE, PAFS, lead, and cadmium, ensuring safety and health. This cookware set does not produce toxic fumes, even when overheated. Super non-stick and effortless cleanup. The smooth non-stick surface lets eggs slide right off with up to 80% less oil for healthier cooking. Its rivet-free interior prevents food from getting trapped, making cleanup quick and effortless. Simply wipe clean or rinse with water. Induction compatible and warp resistant. The durable stainless steel base works on all stovetops, including induction, while the cast aluminum body heats quickly and evenly without warping. Oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Complete cookware set. This beige-white cooking set includes a 9.5-inch frying pan, 11-inch 4.7-quart sauté pan with lid, 2.6-quart saucepan with lid, 4.7-quart casserole pot with lid, 2 silicone utensils, and 4 reusable pot protectors. Perfect for daily meals, apartment kitchens, first homes, couples, and small families. Glass lid and stay cool handle. The tempered glass lid lets you easily monitor cooking while reducing splatters, and the wood grain Bakelite handle stays cool and comfortable for a secure grip.
Number 4. Kitcoin 16-piece ceramic pots and pans non-stick. Includes a 9.5-inch grill pan, induction kitchen cookware sets, white non-stick RV kitchen camping cooking sets, stackable. Material: aluminum, ceramic. Color, ceramic white. Brand, Kitcoin. Size, 16-piece. Handle material, Bakelite. PFAS-free ceramic coating. Unlike traditional PTFE-based pots and pans set non-stick, our ceramic coating contains no PTFE, PFOS, or PFOS. Made from natural minerals, it releases no fumes when overheated. Durable cookware set. Reinforced for extra durability, our coating stands up to daily use. Use silicone, wood, or plastic utensils for best results. Built to last longer than ordinary non-stick pots and pan set. Healthier meals with less oil. Our premium ceramic pots and pan set coating lets you cook with little to no oil. Achieve perfect golden brown results without the extra fat. Your healthier lifestyle starts in your kitchen. Effortless cleanup. The ceramic coating surface is extremely smooth, allowing food without burning or sticking to the kitchen pot and pan set. Plus, a gentle wipe with soapy water removes any oil film and residue. No hard scrubbing required. Grill pan included. Most kitchen non-stick cookware sets skip the grill pan. Ours includes a 9.5-inch grill pan for steaks, chicken, and veggies. No need to buy a separate pan. Better value, complete set. Number 5. Kitchen Academy Pots and Pan Set Non-Stick. 12 pieces induction cookware. Material, aluminum. Brand, Kitchen Academy. Size, 12 pieces cookware set. Handle material, Bakelite. Non-stick kitchen cookware set 12-piece. Include 8-inch fry pan, 11-inch fry pan, 9.7-inch deep fry pan with lid, 1.5Q saucepan with lid, 3Q saucepan with lid, 5Q saucepan with lid, 2 pieces silicone utensils. Easy clean and hand wash recommend. Induction pots and pan set non-stick. When buying cookware, one of the important things is non-stick capabilities. The graniteware coating do a good job in preventing food from sticking. Also, you'll be able to cook healthier meals for your family since you won't have to use as much oil. You can safely cook tomato sauce in granite cookware. The taste and smell of your food will not change even if you use acidic or strong-smelling ingredients. Healthy cookware set with toxin-free. When buying a new set, make sure that it clearly indicates that it is lead, PFOS, PFOA-free. These are the 3 things that you don't want to have in your cookware because of their potential health dangers. Fortunately, you can get granite cookware that are free of these harmful chemicals for a healthier lifestyle.
Number 6. Aster Cook 21-piece pots and pans set non-stick. Ceramic cookware set detachable handle. RV kitchen cooking set removable handles, oven safe, induction ready, stackable, black, Father's Day gift for men. Material, aluminum. Brand, Aster Cook. Size, 21-piece. Handle material, Bakelite with silicone. High-performance non-stick coating. Equipped with a premium non-stick coating, our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle. Cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility. Pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions.
Number 7. Carote 26-piece pots and pan set. Non-stick cookware sets. Material, aluminum. Color, brown. Brand, Carote. Size, 26-piece. Handle material, Bakelite. Superior non-stick performance. Featuring a reinforced coating, our pots and pan set offers exceptional durability and effortless food release, making cleanup easier. Special texture design, crafted with one-of-a-kind exterior texture for standout visual appeal. The exclusive surface detailing delivers a premium look and complements any kitchen setting. Easy clean. Hand washing is highly recommended for effortless care. Just wipe clean with a paper towel or rinse quickly under running water. Silicone sealed glass lid. Lids of the pots have silicone edge that creates a tight seal to lock in moisture and flavor, allows you to monitor cooking without lifting, and protects against chipping for added safety. Set includes 8-inch frying pan, 9.5-inch frying pan, 11-inch frying pan, 2-quart saucepan with lid, 2.5-quart stock pot with lid, 4.5-quart stock pot with lid, 7-quart stock pot with lid, ladle, slotted spatula,
tongs, pasta server, steamer, 7 pan protectors.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.